Hello everyone, friends. On the channel today I'll show you how to recover your Steam password. To do this, go to Steam, click Login, click Help. I can't log in. I forgot my account name or password. Enter the email address that was linked to the account here. Complete the CAPTCHA, click Search. Then, if you have access to the email address, choose the code option. You will receive a code and then you can change your password. If you don't have access to the email address, you'll need to recover it by clicking this button and filling in all the fields. So let's do it through the code option. A verification code will be sent to the email address. After opening the link, you'll see this input screen where you can reset your password, email address, or select a different account. To reset the password, click and enter a new password here. This was Vylar. Bye everyone.